Okay, we're back for some more improv. I wish I could remember the very beginning of what I want to say, but I always pause. We're back for some improv. Why can't I remember improv? That's what I do every day. Okay, number of words six. Six is an actual real challenge. Adjectives? I like the adjectives. Let's stick with these. And let's do 5-letter adjectives. Okay. Mushy, heady. Ooh, heady. Aback, dizzy, roomy, raspy. 45 to 60 seconds. Try to start wrapping it up at 45. All right. Well, the other day I was taken aback by how dizzy I became after I had that super, super heady IPA. I couldn't believe it, honestly. Like, that was a super strong beer. I mean, I didn't expect it, that's for sure, to have that sort of effect on me. But I don't know. I also had a lot of that pizza right after, and it did not end well. It was super mushy. I don't know what it was. I guess it was way too greasy. But, after that, to top it all off, ended up getting in a huge argument with my friend and yelled for about 2 hours on top of being bloated from all the pizza and beer. Really, the man, I cannot tell you how heady that beer was. Super heavy. Then I ended up with a raspy voice. So, terrible start to my week. Okay, interesting, somewhat believable story from what I heard. I need to go back and listen. Was that story believable? Did it sound like I was talking to a friend? I'm curious to hear because I'm gonna definitely re-listen. But what's your first take? Was that realistic?